Hi neighbors, I'm Mayor Andy Ginther.
And I'm Columbus City Councilmember Shayla Favor.
We are living in unprecedented times as we battle the spread of COVID-19 and the economic fallout from actions we use to protect residents.
We know our residents are suffering physically, emotionally, and economically. Columbus is working hard to address the immediate and long-term needs of our residents.
We have received a little over $150 million from the CARES Act, which is federal assistance to ease the burden COVID-19 has brought on our residents. We're grateful to the Central Ohio delegation for working so hard to get us these much-needed dollars. We're dividing these funds into three buckets. First, direct spending for COVID-19 related expenses. Second, for human services. And third, for economic impact.
On Monday, Columbus City Council will vote on accepting and appropriating the money. Based on the input we received from the Housing Stabilization Coalition, City Council will also be voting on a tenant-based assistance program to provide urgent relief to those residents struggling to stay in their homes. This includes funding for legal aid to fight evictions, community mediation services, and $2.6 million for direct rental assistance.
I'm also happy to announce that I will be forming a recovery and resiliency advisory group to help us lay out the best plan for our community to bounce back from the economic downturn caused by the pandemic and to be prepared for the next crisis. I'm gathering top minds from many sectors to guide this work.
This is just a start, Columbus. More details are coming.
Remember, we're all in this together.